What I'm going to do today is I'm actually going to talk about some scenarios that we've identified in the integration world that we've pulled out of the e-commerce experience to show you where integration is falling apart and how we can tell that is happening. Companies out there are looking at e-commerce and they're looking at the whole omni and multi experience from a technology perspective. You have these technological islands being driven by IT and sometimes marketing. And oftentimes they don't talk to each other, or they're not integrated in a manner that allows people to look at it. What is the experience that you want to give your customer? The most important thing I always tell our customers is to map the experience first and foremost that you want to engender with your client. What does this have to do with integration, with data integration, because that's my business? Well, it's the fundamental first foundational block in building a proper integration strategy. Because if I don't know what you want to do and what you want to project out to your customer, I can't possibly look at how I want to move data within an organization. First step is to map out the foundation. What happens in most organizations, people choose a technological platform, they go to their IT guys and they say, can you make this talk to my ERP package? And often what happens is marketing goes off and does something because IT is a pain in the butt, and IT gets wind of it, and now you have conflicts. So this is why the mapping of that experience is so important, because you engage the parties in the process. This is even more important when you start to scale. So what happens when you start to scale? Well, things break down. We often see e-tailers and people coming to us because they've gone that route where they bought technology, they plugged it all together, the product takes off, and now their whole business is falling apart.